Hello, little girl. What are you doing?
Oh, hello, I'm reading a storybook.
Really? You look very focused.
Yes, I love reading stories.
That's wonderful. What kind of story are you reading?
It's an adventure story about traveling around the world.
Adventure and travel? Those are my favorite topics.
Really?
Yes, because I am a traveler.
A traveler? That means you visit many places, right?
Exactly. I travel to different cities and meet new people.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
What is your name?
My name is Lina.
Nice to meet you, Lina. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Where are you from?
I come from another country, but right now I am exploring this city.
That's amazing. Do you travel alone?
Yes, sometimes traveling alone helps me learn new cultures.
Cultures? What does that mean?
Culture means the way people live, eat, speak, and celebrate in different places.
Oh, that sounds very interesting. Do you travel to learn new things?
Exactly. Traveling teaches us about the world.
I wish I could travel like you someday.
I think you will. You look like a very curious girl.
Thank you. Daniel, can I ask you something?
Of course, Lina. You can ask anything.
Do you really travel to many places?
Yes, I do. Traveling is my passion.
Passion? What does passion mean?
Passion means something you love to do very much.
Oh, then reading books is my passion.
That's wonderful. Reading can take you to many places too.
Which place did you visit last?
Last month, I visited a beautiful mountain village.
A village in the mountains? That sounds amazing. Do you meet new people everywhere you go?
Yes, meeting new people is the best part of traveling.
Aren't you afraid when you travel alone?
Sometimes I feel a little nervous, but curiosity is stronger.
Curiosity?
Curiosity means wanting to learn and discover new things.
Oh, I am very curious too.
I can see that.
Hey, do you take pictures when you travel?
Yes, I take many photographs.
Wow, you must have many beautiful memories.
Yes, every place has a story.
I wish I could see those places.
Maybe one day you will.
I hope so.
Lina, do you come to this park every day?
Almost every evening. I like reading here.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, my house is very close to the park.
That's nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my mom and dad.
What do your parents do?
My dad works in an office, and my mom takes care of our home.
That sounds like a lovely family.
Yes, they are very kind.
Do they also like reading books?
My dad likes reading newspapers, and my mom likes cooking books.
Cooking books? That sounds delicious.
Yes, my mom cooks very tasty food.
Lucky you.
Do you travel all the time, Daniel?
I travel very often. It is part of my life.
Do you ever miss your home?
Yes, sometimes I do. But meeting kind people makes every place feel friendly.
That's nice.
Lina, your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice speaking every day.
I can see that. You speak very confidently.
Daniel, my house is only 5 minutes from this park.
Oh, really?
Yes. Would you like to visit my home?
That is a very kind invitation, Lina.
My parents would be happy to meet you.
Then I would love to visit.
My house is very close. It's only a 5-minute walk from the park.
That's wonderful. You are lucky to live near such a beautiful park.
Yes, I come here often to read and relax.
Lina, do you always talk to strangers so confidently?
Not always. but you look friendly.
Thank you. Being friendly helps people connect.
My parents always tell me to be polite and kind.
That is very good advice.
Do you keep a diary of your travels?
Yes, I write about every place I visit.
That sounds like a big adventure.
It is. Every city has its own story.
Oh, look! That blue house is mine!
It looks lovely.
My parents are inside. Let's go meet them.
I'm excited to meet your family.
Mom! Dad! I'm home!
Welcome back, Lina. Did you enjoy the park?
Yes, Mom, and I met someone there.
Someone?
Yes, this is Daniel. He is a traveler.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, Daniel. Welcome to our home.
Nice to meet you too.
Daniel travels to many places around the world.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting.
Please come in and sit down. Your daughter is very polite and friendly. Thank you. We are happy to hear that.
Mom, should I bring some juice and cookies?
That's a lovely idea.
Yes, Lina, please bring them for our guest.
Okay, I'll be right back. Here you go, Daniel. Fresh juice and some cookies.
Thank you, Lina. That is very kind of you. This juice is very refreshing. I'm glad you like it.
So, Daniel, which places have you visited recently?
I have visited many cities and small towns.
That must be an amazing experience. Yes, traveling helps us understand different cultures.
Daniel was telling me about that in the park.
Lina invited you very warmly.
Yes, and I truly appreciate your hospitality. You are always welcome here. Daniel, how did you meet Lina? I saw her sitting alone in the park, reading a book.
She loves reading in the park.
Did she start the conversation? Actually, I greeted her first. Then she started asking many interesting questions about traveling. That sounds like Lina.
She is always curious.
You have raised a wonderful daughter. Thank you, Daniel. That means a lot to us.
I just like talking and learning new things.
And that curiosity will take you far in life.
We always tell her to be kind and respectful to others.
It clearly shows. Lina, we are proud of you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
I think it's getting late. I should continue my journey.
Thank you for visiting our home, Daniel.
Yes, it was very nice meeting you. The pleasure was mine. Your family is very kind and welcoming.
I'm really happy you came to our house.
And I'm happy I met such a wonderful young girl in the park.
Lina will remember this day for a long time.
Lina, never stop being curious and friendly.
I won't. I want to learn more about the world.
That is a beautiful dream. If you ever visit this city again, please come and see us. I will, and you are all welcome to visit my country someday.
Really?
Of course. I would love to show you many beautiful places.
That would be amazing.
Thank you for the invitation.
And thank you for the juice, cookies, and warm hospitality. Safe travels, Daniel.
Goodbye, Daniel. Have a wonderful journey.
Goodbye, Lina. Keep reading and keep dreaming.